This next trick involves a regular deck of cards. It can be well shuffled, well mixed up. And all you do is you have a spectator select a card. They can pick any card that they want. They have a free selection. They pick that one. They look at it, don't show you, remember it. And get in their mind what their card is. Now, we'll just take their card. If you can see it, remember it, place it in the deck, and we'll just cut the deck and cut the deck and lose it somewhere in the deck. Now this next part of the trick, we're gonna need a magic card. It's just a card that we're gonna need to help us find the spectator's card. So in this case, the magic card, let's use the Jack of Clubs. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna find the Jack of Clubs. There we go. Okay, Jack of Clubs. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Jack of Clubs and I'm gonna stick it somewhere in the deck. And hopefully when I do that, I'll be able to find your card. However, you might think that I'm cheating somehow. So I'll shuffle the deck, mix them up, and I'll use a towel to cover me while I'm doing this. So I'm gonna take the Jack of Clubs. I have a magical towel, and it is just a towel. Cover up the deck, just like that. And now I'm gonna take the Jack of Clubs, and I'm going to stab the deck somewhere in the middle, and I can't see what I'm doing. Hopefully, I found your card. And then this is just a towel. Place that aside. Now, I stab the deck somewhere. Magical Jack of Clubs. There it is. Next to one card that I didn't even know where I was stabbing because it was under the towel. And did I find your card? Now before I tell you how it's done, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. This is a really easy trick to do. It's all in the presentation. It can pretty much be done anywhere. You have a towel or some kind of cover. It's a regular deck, it's mixed up. They pick a card. Free selection, doesn't matter. Whatever card they want. You can mix up the cards, cut the cards. You're using the key card principle. This is the Queen of Spades. This is the card you just have to glance at. They put their card, 10 of Spades. You just remember Queen of Spades. Cut the cards. Cut the cards. Losing their card in the middle of the deck. You say you're gonna need a magic card to help find their card. In this case, we'll use the Queen of Spades, which is the key card. And so you just go through the deck, and then they don't see you go through the cards, but you just go through and find the Queen of Spades and cut the cards right at the Queen of Spades, because this 10 of Spades is their card. So if you cut the cards right at the Queen of Spades, their card's now on top of the deck. They don't know that. So you're just saying you're going to use the Queen of Spades as a magic card. So you find the Queen of Spades, take it out, place it on the table, and now you can shuffle the deck because you have their card on top. So that's all this trick requires, is for you to get their card on top some way. There's other ways of doing it. The key card method with the cut, magic card, you have an excuse, easiest way to do it. Now you can shuffle the cards. Just keep their card on top. Every time you shuffle, just make sure you're keeping their card on top. It doesn't matter. It looks amazing. Place the cards on the table. You say you're going to use the Queen of Spades to stab in the deck to find their card. You take the towel, put it over the cards. What you're doing underneath the towel is you're taking the queen of spades, you're putting it on top face up, and then just giving the cards a cut. Just like that. That's all underneath the towel that you did that. Towel comes up, you take the cards, you spread them out. There's the queen of spades. Their card's the one right next to the queen of spades. Pick the cards up. Say, do you remember what your card was? Was it the 10 of spades? And the crowd goes wild. I mean, that's an amazing trick. It's easy to do. No slides, nothing. All you have to do is under a towel, place that card there, cut the deck. Done. It's that easy. And that's card stab. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you think anybody else would like these videos. Appreciate it.